Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am ready to brag about the best bag I have ever had. I'm not even exaggerating. I will pick this bag over any bag any day of the week. I absolutely love it. And there's so many things that I want to tell you about it. Why I love it so much. It looks beautiful. Like you can dress this up or dress this down. I've worn it with skirts and I've worn it with jeans. I've worn it to date night and I've worn it to Walmart. So it just doesn't matter. It fits any occasion. My daughter told me to put this little pin in it and I did. And I wanted to show you that it didn't make any marks on it when I took it out. You could just smooth it out and it shows no signs that you had a hole there at all. I got it in this amazing blue color that matches a lot of my clothes, but you can get it in any color. It comes in a variety of different choices. I love how soft it is. It was very easy to use. Like I said, you can wear this with anything. This is me dressed up to go to Bible study, or you can just wear it to go garage sailing or pick your kids up from school. It's very versatile, and I think that is my favorite thing about it. I also love how much it holds. If you are a mom and a wife, then you're going to love this bag because you can fit all of the junk that you always carry, plus all the junk that your kids make you carry. You know, 1,000 things of lip gloss and some hand sanitizer, gloves, your wallet, a straw, anything that you want to throw in here. It holds lots of receipts too. I know that very well. I love that it's versatile. You can take the shoulder strap off very easily and just use it as a handbag. This bag is the best, hands down, but that's just my point of view.